Hello everyone. This is part 2 of week 1. Let's start. Flaunt, which is verb, meaning to show something that you are proud of so that other people will admire it. For example, she liked to flaunt her wealth by wearing furs and jewelry. Synonym: parade, exhibit, and flourish. Parade exhibit means to show something or to showcase. Next, flourish, which means to wave about or to attract something. Antonym: be modest about or hide. Next word, that is penury, which is noun. It is derived from the Latin word penuria, which means want, meaning extreme poverty. For example, if you don't start to save money, you will spend your final years in penury. Next word, synonym: bankruptcy and indigence. Indigence means one who is devoid of basic things. Antonym: wealth and affluence. Affluence means one who has lot of money. Next, 13th, solipsism, which is a noun, is derived from the Latin word solus, which means alone, plus ipse, means self, meaning the quality of being selfish. For example, China follows the policy of solipsism. Synonym: egoism or subjectivity. Egoism means one who always thinks about himself, that is selfish kind of nature. Next, subjectivity. It means the quality of being influenced by personal feelings. Once again, the same kind of nature. Antonym: altruism or objectivity. So, altruism is someone who is ready to help others. Next, 14th word, that is insouciance, which is a noun, meaning casual lack of concern. For example, insouciance is an alliance of failure. Yes. So if you lack in concern, obviously you'll fail. Synonym: carelessness, negligence. Antonym: attention, compassion. Next, futile, which is adjective, meaning incapable of producing any useful result. For example, it is futile to wash your car in or in rainy days. Synonym: fruitless, vain. Vain also means something which is wastage of time and you don't get anything. Pointless, useless. Antonym: useful, fruitful. Next, preach, and the verb could be preach. The preachings we say, so that is the verb form. And preacher here we are using as an adjective, meaning having or showing to give moral advice in a tedious or boring way. For example, he was clear, articulate, and never preachy. Articulate means the proper arrangement of words. Or the second example could be a boring preacher writer. Synonym: moralistic. Moralistic means one who is having very fixed ideas about what is right or wrong. Next, 17th word, that is remorse, which is noun, meaning, and before we go to meaning, there is a Latin that is moder, means to bite something in our mind. So let's go to the meaning and then we'll understand its Latin word, that is deep regret. So something that bites in our mind due to some deep regret is known as remorse. For example, Ramesh felt deep remorse for having neglected his parents over the years. Here, even you might be thinking that the sentence should have the neglecting, but it's wrong. It is neglected. Synonym: repentance, guilt. Repentance is once again a kind of deep regret. Next, 18th word, that is adjective, meaning character, sorry, puritanical, which means characterized by a rigid morality. For example, we should get away from the old puritanical philosophy that ability to work hard is a part of virtue. Yes, so we have to get away from this. Next example, as Vijay is puritanical in his beliefs, he does not touch or drink alcohol. So, which is a good habit. Next, diktat, which is a noun meaning order publicly issued by an authority. For example, the football coach issued a diktat that all team members must attend early morning practice. The second example could be the government issued a diktat that people should remain in their houses. The present scenario we can think of. Next, concubine, which is a noun meaning a woman who lives with a man but has lower status than his wife or wives. So even this is used in olden days. For example, as a concubine of the emperor, the young woman lived with him in the palace as his mistress. So this is all about the part 2 of week 1, and I'll come with further vocabs in the next week. Till then, thank you and study well.